Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use a Frameo digital frame step by step. So first of all, you need to plug in your Frameo digital frame and then you just have to simply turn it on. Now, when you open it or when you turn it on, simply follow further on-screen instructions and you need to first of all connect it to Wi-Fi. This particular step is important because all the photos are sent through the internet. Now you need to open your phone. Then you need to simply install the Frameo application into it from Google Play Store or App Store. After that, simply open the application and create your account and allow the permissions. Now inside the application, you are going to see a username icon or a plus icon or a human type of icon or add friend icon. So when you tap on that particular option, it is going to basically ask you to enter the code. So in order to generate this particular code, you need to open your frame screen and here simply look for the option of add friend. Now as soon as you tap on this add friend option, this type of code is going to be generated. So you need to basically add this particular code inside your application on your phone, and this way you will be able to basically connect your frame with your phone. Now, once this particular step is done, you can select your photos from your phone's gallery and then you just have to simply tap on the option of send. Within just a few seconds, they will appear on the frame and then you can send the short videos and add the captions. So that's how you can basically start using your Frameo digital frame the easiest way. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.